You already know what time it is. It's Stock Talk with Hitmontran. Alright, let's go over some tickers. First ticker is Amrh. This one was a cheapy one. It had a huge red day yesterday, dropped to 33 cents at its low, and I was already long biased today because I didn't think it was going to drop any lower than that. I mean, it would be crazy if it went down to like below 20 cents or 20 cents. So I thought today was going to be a retrace day, and 80 cents was my target. And I took a position when I like to see kind of like a 1, 2, 3 candle move where it's about to burst. I kind of like to refer this as like a person that is rushing to the restroom, and you can kind of tell that it's very anxious, or that person is very anxious. So, so yeah, this is the move I took, and then as you can see, the person did his thing, and then all of a sudden it feels relief, and then it kind of settles to the trend. And I saw a huge seller at 79 cents, about 190K seller, so I knew it was going to be very hard to break 80 cents, and a couple pennies wouldn't hurt to just exit early, and that's exactly what happened. And my risk, I guess if it dropped below, 53 cents and made a red candle, I was going to take the loss, but thankfully the trade worked out. And usually this move I kind of like. It kind of works almost all the time, and that's exactly what happened with AMD, or more or less, and that's the second trade I took. It had a huge gap down yesterday. I think it was bad earnings, but I didn't really look into it because AMD's been around for so long. I didn't, I felt like it's gonna bounce back no matter what. And $18 on the daily was a really good support level. So I thought that $18 was, if anything, it's going to close around $18. And took it in the morning, in the AM, within the first couple of minutes. You could see I kind of had that little anxiety restroom feeling where it's like, uh-oh, like I got to go, and then all of a sudden, bam. And I took my long position somewhere around here, not really where the arrow's at, and then add it here. And I like to usually sell it within the second or third leg up, but my target was, I said in chat, was $21 because I thought it had a really good chance to reach to this gap resistance from the previous month, but it didn't. I waited a little bit longer. I added more over here thinking that this was going to be the third move up and I get my $21, but it didn't. So here I took some off, and then once it cracked VWAP, I took the rest of it off. So, and by that time I knew it was probably gonna linger around mid-range. And yep, that's about it. Still holding GRN, and thankfully it didn't hit new lows. Otherwise, I'll be crying right now. But see you guys tomorrow.